Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. Today I am going to explain you the poem The Road Not Taken. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common and ordinary experiences. Let's see the poem. Two road divers in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both, and be one travel long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So, once the poet was in a forest, he stood at a junction. Two road divers in the yellow forest. He regretted that he could not travel on both the roads. He stood there for a long time. He looked down one road as far as he could see. He could see it up to the point where it turned to the undergrowth. So, कभी का एक चौराहे पर खड़े होना मीन्स एक बार कभी एक जंगल में था, वो एक जंगल पर खड़ा था, दो सड़कें पीले जंगल में अलग अलग जा रही थी। उसे दुख हुआ कि वो दोनों सड़कों पर नहीं चल सकता था। वो वहां काफी समय खड़ा रहा। जहां तक वो देख सकता था उसने एक सड़क को देखा। वो उसको एक बिंदु तक देख सकता था जहां पर वो झाड़ियों में मूर्ति थी। Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps a better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the time. So, but the poet took the other road. It was as just as fair. Also, it had a better claim to be walked upon. It was because it was grassy and wanted wear. Less number of travelers had walked upon it. However, as far as passing was concerned, both the roads had been worn equally. So, परंतु कवि ने दूसरों सड़क ली। यह जितनी सुंदर थी उतनी ही न्यायोचित भी थी। इनका इस पर चलने का अच्छा एक भी था। एक इसलिए था क्योंकि यह इसीलिए था क्योंकि वो घास से ढकी थी और ये घिसी भी नहीं थी। इस पर कम यात्री चले थे। फिर भी जहां तक चलने का प्रश्न था, दोनों सड़कें समान रूप में घिसी हुई थी। And both that morning equally lay in lips no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads to on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. So that morning both the roads lay equally in lips. This had not been trodden much by the travelers. The poet kept a first road for another day. He knew all how one way leads to the another. The poet had, however, a doubt. It was whether he would ever come back to walk again on the other road. उस सुबह दोनों सड़कें पट्टों से समान रूप से ढकी हुई थी। इन्हें यात्रियों द्वारा अधिक कुचला नहीं गया था। कवि ने पहले सड़क दूसरे दिन के लिए रख ली। वो भली भांति जानता था कि एक रास्ता दूसरे तक कैसे पहुंचता है। फिर भी कवि ने मन में एक संदेह था। यह था कि क्या कभी वो इस दूसरी सड़क पर चलने के लिए वापस आएगा? I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the road. I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. So, the poet feels that after ages he would tell one fact of life with a sigh. It is two roads diverged in a forest. He took the one road which had been traveled less by the people, and that had made all the differences in his life. So, कवि महसूस करता है कि योगों के पश्चात वो जीवन का एक सत्य आह भर बताएगा उसको। यह है कि दो सड़कें एक जंगल में मुड़ गए। उसने उस सड़क को लिया जिस पर व्यक्ति कम संख्या में चले थे और उसी से उसके जीवन में सारा अंतर ला दिया. So this is the poem about the road not taken, which road is not taken by the poet Robert Frost. So I think you have understood the poem, because this poem Road Not Taken by Robert Frost is a poem that tell us about the poet, how he feel not choosing the, actually he is leaving that another road for another time. So it resolved around a song actually. This poem, Road Not Taken, revolves around a central problem. So it is of making a choice in life. People get a chance to make just a choice, to make one choice and go ahead with life. They won't return to exercise another choice actually. And the poet finds such a chance to choose. And he chooses one road of life, but he feels that he has not properly exercised his choice. It is when he has lived his life mass. He looked into his past. His choice has made all the differences. And he then feels that he can't come back or come walk to other road as well. Thus the poem centers around this problem of choices in one's life. That is why the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. Hope you have understood the poem. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू.